Hey guys, wanna make 100 bucks in just 30 minutes using your phone? Today I'm about to show you the highest paying offers in FreeCash, and they're paying real cash. So you just have to sign up using the link in the description. It's completely free. You just have to make an account in there and register your account. Alright, so I just logged into FreeCash and look, my balance is at $0.15 right now. But check this out, these insane offers can boost that up in no time. So first offer we have here the Grab a Toy. So this one pays a massive $174 just for installing, registering, and playing. So this one is the easiest and the most popular offers right now, as you can see. And the next one is the Grand Mafia on iOS. So this one pays $288.57 just for completing tasks in 30 days. So that's a huge payout for a mobile game. And we have here more. You can stack Jackpot Buffalo, which is in $48.23. We also have here the Grand Hotel Mania, $6.88, and the Catalyst Research, which is in 0.24. This is quick and easy survey. So you just have to complete a few of these and you'll hit the $100 before you know it. So when you're done, you can cash out to PayPal, Bitcoin, or even directly to Cash App. Super quick. Plus, if you sign up using my link, you might get a bonus, which is $5. So don't waste your time. Click the free cash link in the description. Start knocking out offers and let me know how much you earn in the comments. See you in my next one. Bye.